So guys, Hagardo Versosa ang peg ni ate girl. So, ito yung first lipat natin. No, second lipat natin. And, syempre, ang news, ang update is, wala pang update. So, yun. Ang update sa Shato, wala pang update. So, ayun. We're gonna, we're gonna stay here for the night. And then, let's see kung ano ang magiging update natin. Kasi, talagang wala pang update. Walang kwenta. Pero yon, kaya natin to, ilalaban natin na magkaroon ng update. Mga NPA, no permanent address. Kung saan tayo lipat. Ganun lang. Lipat-lipat lang tayo hanggang sa mahanap natin kung saan ba talaga tayo ilalagay ni Lord. I'm alive! Buona giornata, la mia bella gente. I'm alive and I have survived. We have survived. So, nandito kami ngayon sa house ng cousin ko and we will be spending Father's Day here. Anyway, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo ha. Ayan, yung Happy Father's Day na parang banner. Ako nagkabit niyan kanina, guys. O, diba? Effort yan, ha? Ayan. So, nag-start na kami nag-table set. Wala pa yung mga pinggan. Syempre, bukas na lang. Pero, eto, ayan. May Happy Father's Day na kami. So, tomorrow na yung mga ibang stuff. As you can see, may pimple si ate girl. May pimple si ate girl. Pinipimple na ako sa stress sa mga pangyayari sa buhay ko. So, just bear with me. Bear with me. So, bukas, itatry natin na makapag-walking muna before tayo magtuloy-tuloy. Tutulungan natin si Mommy Mir na mag-set up. At saka si Ate Che and si Yaya Maria para pagdating ng mga guests, mga ating relatives, at yung ating mga fathers ay nakaset na ang dining at kakain na lang. At syempre bukas kakain ako ng marami because it's a Sunday, it's a cheat day, and it's my right to eat a lot. Ganun lang yon. Yan, nag-ready na kami ni Yaya. Init na kami ng mga food, tapos yung mga dinalang food. Yan. Dahil Father's Day. So, to-prepare na. Tapos na akong mag-mass. So, welcome back to my channel. Ayan si Yaya Maria. Siya yung, tutulungan ko siya mag-prepare dito sa kitchen.
Dami na mali ko. Blow.
Ano na ba bang blow? Hindi yata natin mag-blow.
Oh, ito pa. Blow.
Puro laway. Puro laway na. Kamusta naman? Can you see your nose? Can you see your nose first? Oh.
Where's your nose? Go on, where's your nose?
Take out the ice cream.
Where's your nose?
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! What's that? What happened? Oh! Tama, bigyan mo yung amo mo. Bigyan mo ba?
Ginawa mong drink yung ice cream.
Ano man? Ice cream! Uy, marunong ice cream! Nagsasalita naman pala. Akala ko kasi hindi nagsasalita. Kasi naman si Rox, puro Mr. Bean lang. Yung mga gustong ipanood sa anak, puro cellphone. Hindi tuloy nagsasalita. At least sabi niya, ice cream.
Exercise. Ate Ani, oh.
My room, guitar in hand, writing down my thoughts, I can't withstand. Emotions running wild, can't keep them inside. Gotta scream them out, can't run and hide. These fragile hearts, you wear them on our sleeves. Bleeding words and chords, our souls need to deceive. But in this chaos, we find sweet release. Lucid dreams, pop up melodies. The raw emotions unleashed, a cathartic release. The pain and anger channel, finding solace and peace. The words may sting, but they set me free. Sitting in my room, guitar in hand, writing down my thoughts, they can't withstand. Emotions running wild, can't keep them inside. Gotta scream them out, can't run and hide. Hearts, you wear them on our sleeves. Bleeding words and chords, our souls need to deceive. But in this chaos, we find a sweet release. Lucid dreams, pop on melodies. Peace.
Okay, one more.
Raw emotions unleashed, a cathartic release. The pain and anger channel, finding solace and peace.
Guys, we're done for the day. Nairaos na namin. So, gonna sleep na. Nakapag-change na ako. Na ako. Tanggal na ng makeup. So, ayan. We're done. Happy Father's Day to everyone. Hindi namin nakuhanan yung mga pagkain namin. Sobrang dami. My gosh. There's kare-kare. There's lengua, paella, spaghetti, lechon, cochinillo, baked prawns, ano pa? Baked salmon, ano pa? Dami, arroz valenciana, lots of cakes, ice cream, ay nako. So full for today. Thank you, Lord, na inaas namin. Bye! See you on my next vlog.